Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you can sign into your Google account on this device. If prompted, complete any two-factor verification so you won't be interrupted. Once done, open the Google Voice app or navigate to Voice. Google. Com in a secure browser and make sure you're using the correct Google profile. You'll need microphone and notification permissions for calls and messages. Grant them when asked. Now you're ready to begin the login flow and choose, or link a Google Voice number. You'll sign in by selecting your Google account or entering the email and password. When prompted, complete two-factor authentication to verify it's you. Make sure to review and accept Google Voice permissions for calls, texts, and contacts so features work smoothly. Next, follow the prompts to pick a new Google Voice number or link an existing one. Choose a forwarding phone if you want calls routed to your mobile. Keep an eye on on-screen codes and confirmation prompts to finalize linkage. Finish by confirming number activation and making a test call or sending a test text. This verifies forwarding and voicemail. If you encounter errors, make sure the app is up to date, microphone and notification permissions are enabled, and your network is stable. Restarting the app often clears temporary glitches. If login still fails, sign out and sign back in or remove and re-add the linked phone. One key troubleshooting tip: clear app cache or reinstall before escalating to support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.